Welcome to Review Rumble. The best jump rings is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in the world of jewelry making, acting as the tiny but mighty connectors that bring your creative visions to life, from delicate necklaces to intricate bracelets and statement earrings, ensuring durability and a seamless finish to every piece you craft, making them an indispensable tool for both beginner hobbyists and seasoned professionals alike seeking to elevate their designs with precision and ease. Number 5. Mr. Penn Open Jump Ring Set. Introducing the Mr. Penn Open Jump Ring Set, your ultimate solution for all your jewelry making needs. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. You'll receive 974 jump rings in 6 assorted sizes, along with 40 premium lobster clasps. Everything is neatly organized in a durable plastic case, making it easy to find what you need. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy and iron metal, these components are built to last. They are sturdy, lightweight, and resistant to fading, ensuring your creations remain beautiful over time. Easily designed stunning necklaces, bracelets, and anklets with these versatile findings. They are designed to make your jewelry making process smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned jewelry maker or a beginner, these components are perfect for a wide range of DIY crafts. Create unique earrings, keychains, repaired jewelry, and so much more with confidence. What we like. This set offers a generous 1,014 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for multiple projects. It also includes essential lobster clasps, making it a complete solution for starting your jewelry creations. If you're a beginner or a DIY enthusiast looking for a comprehensive starter kit with lots of components, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. These jump rings are a good size for most jewelry projects. The assortment of sizes in this pack is very convenient for different types of jewelry. The metal is sturdy and doesn't bend easily, which is great for durable pieces. Number 4. OHINGLT 700 PCS Lobster Clasps and Jump Ring Set. Introducing the OHINGLT 700 piece set, your all-in-one solution for jewelry creation. It includes both gold and silver-plated clasps and jump rings. You'll receive 200 lobster clasps and 500 open jump rings in this comprehensive pack. This ensures you have plenty for all your projects. The jewelry clasps are approximately 12 by 6 mm, and the jump rings are 0.7 by 5 mm. These convenient sizes are ideal for detailed work. Crafted from metal alloy, these components offer excellent corrosion resistance and durability. They open and close smoothly for long-lasting use. These are perfect for all your handmade jewelry and DIY crafts. Use them for necklaces, bracelets, anklets, and more. Our clasps are designed for ease of use. They open and close smoothly, making your jewelry making process convenient and enjoyable. What we like. Get both gold and silver finishes in one convenient pack, offering versatility for different jewelry designs. The metal alloy construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, meaning your creations will last. If you need a balanced mix of colors and reliable clasps for everyday jewelry making, this set is ideal. What people say. Size is easy to use, and I like that there are 2 colors to choose from. Not always easy to find a variety pack. The lobster claw clasps are a great choice for the jewelry I sell at art fairs. Barrel clasps are harder for people to make. These clasps have pretty much all been good. They do what they are supposed to. Number 3. Ofiuny 700 PCS Lobster Claw Clasps and Jump Ring Set. Introducing a comprehensive set designed for all your jewelry making needs. This collection includes everything you need to create beautiful pieces. The clasps measure approximately 12 mm, and the jump rings are 5 mm in diameter. These convenient sizes are ideal for a variety of jewelry designs. You'll receive 200 lobster clasps and 500 open jump rings. This ample supply is perfect for both professional jewelers and DIY enthusiasts. Designed for convenience, these clasps are easy to operate for a smooth opening and closing every time. They ensure your creations stay securely fastened. These are perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. Use them to complete bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, and more. Add an elegant touch to your jewelry with these sleek, oval-shaped clasps. They are sturdy and designed to complement your creations without detracting from their beauty. What we like. Designed for both professional jewelers and DIY enthusiasts, these clasps offer a sleek oval shape for an elegant finish. Their ease of use ensures a smooth and seamless experience, whether you're repairing or creating. If you prioritize a professional look and user-friendly clasps for your necklaces and bracelets, this option is perfect. What people say. The jump rings are made of high-quality metal and have a beautiful, consistent finish. They are easy to open and close, making jewelry assembly much faster. The variety of sizes included in the set is perfect for different jewelry projects. Number 2. 14K gold-plated sterling silver jewelry clasps. Discover the elegance of our jewelry clasps, meticulously crafted in Italy from 925 sterling silver and plated with 14K gold. They are a perfect choice for sensitive skin, offering both beauty and comfort. These clasps feature a small diameter of 0.2 inches, with closed jump rings measuring 0.16 inches. Their delicate size is ideal for pairing with fine chains and wires. Designed for convenience, our spring ring clasps are easy to attach and remove. They seamlessly connect with most jump rings and chains, simplifying your DIY jewelry projects. Each package includes 3 sets of spring ring clasps with attached jump rings. These are thoughtfully designed to complement most necklaces and enhance your jewelry creations. Unleash your creativity with these versatile spring clasps. They are perfect for crafting adjustable necklaces, bracelets, anklets, or for giving new life to your cherished existing jewelry. What we like. Crafted in Italy from genuine 925 sterling silver, these findings are a premium choice, especially for those with sensitive skin. The delicate size and spring ring clasps are perfect for fine chains and intricate designs. If you value high-quality materials, hypoallergenic options, and a touch of Italian craftsmanship for your delicate jewelry, this is the set for you. What people say. Helpful to fix a small purse. These changed color within a month. I was hoping it would last a lot longer. Number 1. Paxcoo 1200 PCS Jewelry Findings Kit. Introducing the Paxcoo Jewelry Findings Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating beautiful jewelry. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to get started on your next craft project. This kit comes with specialized pliers designed for jewelry making. They are perfect for easily opening and closing jump rings, saving you time and effort. You'll find a variety of open jump rings in sizes ranging from 4mm to 10mm. These assorted sizes ensure you have the perfect fit for any jewelry design. All the components are neatly organized in a 12-grid plastic case. This makes it incredibly easy to store, carry, and access your findings whenever inspiration strikes. The kit features both silver and gold-colored jump rings and lobster clasps. These classic colors are versatile and suitable for a wide range of jewelry styles. A note on the pliers: they may have a protective oil coating to prevent rust. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for storage to maintain their condition. What we like. This kit is a time saver, as it includes essential jewelry making tools like pliers for opening and closing jump rings. With both silver and gold colors available in assorted sizes, you have great flexibility for various projects. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one package that comes with the necessary tools and a handy organizer, this is an excellent value. What people say. These jump rings are a good size for most jewelry projects. The variety of colors in this set is fantastic, allowing for creative designs. They are easy to open and close, which is essential for quick assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.